Prosecutors say the longtime daycare teacher was unsupervised at the time of the alleged abuse and was alone with the children when they suffered those traumatic injuries. They say a 7-month-old in Baldwin's care was found unresponsive on July 9th. It was later determined the child had been assaulted. Back in May, a 5-month-old was found with unexplained bleeding in her mouth. Investigators now believe Baldwin was also responsible in that case. The incidents happened while Baldwin worked at the Oaks Early Learning Center in Oaks, Montgomery County. NBC 10's Deanna Durante was there as Baldwin appeared before a judge today. She joins us live from Collegeville with more. Deanna.
One of these cases happened in early July, and that infant, we're told, still in the hospital today. As for Baldwin, she appeared here earlier, handcuffed and shackled, went back to the county prison, but has since posted bond and is scheduled to be released. Catalina Baldwin was a longtime worker of the Oaks Early Learning Center. She didn't say anything as she left court today. A judge determining she should go to trial on multiple charges. Prosecutors say she violently abused babies she was paid to keep safe. Prosecutors say it was on July 9th when first responders were called to care for a 7-month-old baby who was unconscious.
Her injuries were found to be a very serious brain bleed, subdural hemorrhage, too numerous to count retinal hemorrhages in both of her eyes, and ligamentous or injury to the ligaments of her neck. Those are all highly specific and indicative of inflicted abuse.
The baby had emergency surgery that required part of her skull to be removed. A medical expert testified the injuries could not have happened by accident, and according to court documents, Baldwin admitted to being alone with the child. Police say they were already investigating an injury to another baby that occurred in May, a child with severe lacerations to her mouth. The baby girl had to be on a feeding tube for days.
Within her care over in June and July, 2 young infants were injured. One specifically suffered a mouth injury with excessive bleeding. The frenulum was sliced or tore beneath the tongue. The second suffered a serious head trauma.
Only a monster would commit these heinous crimes.
Lawyers for the families of the children say the Oaks Early Learning Center failed to provide a safe place for children. In a civil suit filed today, lawyers say other parents have complained and written online reviews alleging these cases are not the first.
We are always continuing to investigate on every case. The investigation never ends. If there are individuals who have information about this case, who have experienced something that is concerning to them, any information at all, we always welcome that because we will never stop investigating a case.
Now, up until the last several hours, Baldwin was held on a $99,000 bail. A bondsman helped get her released by posting that money. We're told conditions of her release include electronic monitoring. She's not to be around children unsupervised, and she is to have no contact with the families. As for the Oaks Early Learning Center, we did reach out to them, and just a little while ago, we were told that the center would not be commenting, that it is waiting to see how all of this plays out in the court system. Reporting live in Collegeville, Deanna Durante, NBC 10 News.